What do you call it?
See if you have something on your face.
Wonderful. You're such a little pig. Who taught you that?
You
I never did that.
look. What way do
Yummy. Maybe we shouldn't bake the pizza. Maybe we should eat it like that.
don't bake it?
Okay, I think it's almost time to clean you up.